I'm Becky, I'm Apprentice of the Year for Built Environment. I'm a supplier at Babcock Hades RAF Valley. I have completed level 2 warehousing and storage and have nearly completed level 3. I relocated from Birmingham to Anglesey in 2019, and upon searching for a job I saw this and I thought, what a great opportunity to further my development in the logistic sector. Being a mature apprentice is an advantage because I've got 12 years experience already, so I know how to deal with stressful situations, I have a mature attitude and strong organisational skills. The biggest advantage of an apprenticeship is you become immersed in the job every day, surrounded by opportunities which give you the chance to learn, progress, and in the 2 years that I've been at Babcock Hades, I've gained multiple qualifications. I've done manual handling, working at height, and I have gained more plant licences. I've definitely grown my confidence. I've learned a wealth of new skills, friendship and empowerment. My assessor was brilliant, very supportive all throughout my apprenticeship. He's guided me in the right path, encouraged every step of the way. And I just want to say a massive thank you to Jason Roberts for helping me through my MVQ. I would highly recommend an apprenticeship because you can gain a lot of hands-on experience that you don't necessarily get in college. You make really good connections with people in the industry and also earn money alongside an education.